Welcome back to my channel. I'm B4Z0X Bazo. Let's get straight into it. My favorite trading pattern ever. Double bottom, double tops. Very simple. I'll explain it very quickly in 5 minutes hopefully. So as we see here, this is a simple diagram of what it is basically. It's just, as the name, double bottom. You get two lows equal, or preferably with the second leg being higher and not really closing below. Same with the double tops. You want equal highs, or you want the second leg not being higher than the first leg's high, with a sort of neckline in between. A lot of people take breakouts from this neckline. However, I execute instantly when I see resistance and we get initial rejection, retest in the same resistance area and take a trade from up here. Basically, if I see a 3-bar reversal, let me just show you a clean setup I took today. It's very rare that I find these so clean. So we had a monthly resistance, which I'll show you here. See, we had a body candle closure, close up here, and then close bearish from there. So I consider this like a monthly range. You see, we came up here before, rejected, again rejected. That's why I marked this as a monthly resistance. With the daily resistance, it's pretty self-explanatory. Previous day high, so the highest point yesterday we made, I marked that out as a resistance. However, we also had, as you can see, many times we came to this level of, this was support originally, came down, resisted here, came up again, and we've resisted again. So we could be heading for lower prices. And that is exactly why I consider this trade. So as we see, New York opened, printed bullish candle. I was expecting us to actually retest this area because we were above the overnight range. We retested it perfectly to a T. We did not close above this resistance, and we didn't close above these weak wicks, which is superb. I count this as a double top right here, this wick. So I just entered on the closure of this. On the next candle, I entered instantly because this is a fairly bearish candle. We had more confirmation once we did actually get the school run strategy close around here. Took it right down to the Asia low. I called it overnight range low, just midnight to 12 a.m. and we perfectly took that out actually. And now we've come back up to this resistance and rejected again for the third time. So I'd be cautious of using this as a resistance again, because as we know, the more you bang on the ceiling, more chance it has to break, right? Let me see if I can find you some more cases, some examples. But this, as I said, it's very rare. I caught this very nice 2.87 stop loss above this high. Not expecting it to retest again once we had this double top. Targeting Asian low, so good. Let me try to find you something. Alright, so finally I actually had to go on the Dow the Wall Street, because I know a lot of times you get double bottoms, double tops. In this case, we were below the overnight range. Let me see, you had the double bottom here, the second leg not exceeding. We had a neckline. You could have took a breakout from here, but preferably you could have entered on like a closure here, even here, targeting overnight range high, which worked out right there. 3.2 RR, easy, nice.
if you have full house openings, king high flush and pot is smallish, are you going for all in?